Hi students, problem number 7. A train crosses a person in 2 seconds and a platform of length 50 meter in 4.5 seconds. Then what is the length and speed of the train has to be determined. Now it is a very direct question. A person is standing at rest, it is assumed, because a person, it crosses a person means it is understood he is at rest. The time taken is 2 seconds. Now the length of the train we have to find out. Okay. So I will write first x be the length of the train. Let x be the length of the train. Or as usual I will take L be the length of the train and x be its speed. So the speed of train I have taken it as x and L be the length of the train. Both we have to find out. Now I will form two equations. First one is for the person. So when the train crosses a stationary person, for the person, the speed of the train s is equal to its own length divided by time. So this is a L divided by 2 seconds. So L by 2, this is equation number 1. So the speed of the train is equal to the length of the train divided by 2 seconds. Okay, both are unknown. S is also unknown, L is also unknown. So here we have taken speed of the train as what? X. Therefore x is equal to L by 2. So in this format also I can write. Instead of S, now we have taken the symbol X. Now for the platform also is stationary. Platform also is at rest. Therefore speed is equal to distance travelled by time. And this time the distance travelled is the length of the train plus length of the platform we have to add, is it not? So this numerator is L plus 50 divided by the time is 9 by 2. 4.5 can be written as what? 9 by 2. So this S is also equal to X, is it not? Therefore X is equal to L plus 50. And this 9 by 2, this 2 in the denominator appears in the numerator. So 2 into L plus 50 divided by 9. This is 9. So this is equation 2. Now in both equations 1 and 2, the left hand side is equal to the speed of the train. Same train only is crossing the person as well as the platform. Therefore x should be same. So I am going to equate equations 1 and 2. The right hand sides can be equated. So L by 2 must be equal to 2 into L plus 50 divided by 9. Now cross multiplying, 9 into L is 9L and this 2 into 2 is 4 into L plus 50. So 9L is equal to 4 into L is 4L plus 4 into 50 is 200. Now 9L minus 4L must be equal to 200. So 5L must be equal to 200. Therefore L must be equal to what? 200 divided by 5 is equal to 40 meter. So we have determined the length of the train as 40 meter. Speed has to be determined. But before that itself, you look at the clue. Here the option C is 40 meter. 40 meter is the length of the train. No other option is having that 40 meter. Therefore we can quickly go for this option C without solving the value for the speed. But in case everywhere it is given the same speed means, then we have to go by the formula method. So what is the expression for the speed of the train we are using is x. X is equal to what? L by 2. Simplest equation is first equation, x is equal to L by 2. Therefore speed of train, the speed of train is given by x is equal to L by 2. So this is equal to 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. Therefore the length of the train is equal to 20 meter. And this is meter per second because it is the speed. Okay, speed. So the value of x is equal to L by 2. The value of L is 40. But the unit of x is what? Meter per second because it is the speed of the train. So the length of the train is 40 meter and the speed of the train is 20 meter per second, means option C must be the correct answer. Therefore, option C is the correct answer. This is also a very simple problem only. Okay, understand the situation and write two equations. Okay, you can either divide them or you can expand them and do it also. So I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.